Hey guys, and welcome back to Big Boss Bricks. For today, we'll be unboxing another Donruss football hanger box. So I've opened a lot of this hanger boxes for quite some time now, and most of the cards that I got are these guys. So I got Tua and Justin Herbert. I have no luck yet for Joe Burrows, and hopefully this is my lucky break for this hanger box. So this will be a fast box opening. So let's get started. Before that, I have to prepare my sleeves too. Right, won't leave you hanging. And let's open. For quite some time, I've been hunting for Joe Burrows because I've never got one. So who do you think is the best rookie quarterback for this season? Is it Joe Burrows, Tua, or Justin Herbert? Comment down below. And then if you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the like icon if you like the video. I've opened value pack and hanger boxes for Donruss, and so far I like the hanger boxes the most compared to the value pack because I've hit a lot of hits, rookie cards. These guys I pulled in the hanger boxes, so hopefully I could get some of the nice rated rookies in this set. Well, I still have two blaster boxes with me and I didn't open yet, and I still have maybe two hanger boxes left. Okay, base cards. Shaquille. Why is it upside down? DJ Metcalf or DK Metcalf. George Kittle. Please give me Joe Burrows. I'd love to have one. Okay. Here comes the press proof. DJ Moore. And first press proof rookie. KJ Osborne. Am I correct? Drew Lock. Press proof. Mari Cooper. Christian McCaffrey. And insert DeAndre Swift. Rookies. Trey Davis White. Action Pro Hero. All Pros. Action All Pros. Ooh, nice. Baker Mayfield Dominators. Elite Series Cooper Cup. Chase Claypool, nice. My first Chase Claypool. Elite Series rookie. Russell Wilson. Elite Series. Steve Atwater, Broncos. Inducted. Hall of Fame. Wow, what's this? Legends of the Fall. Marshawn Lynch. And Jermaine Edmonds. LaVisca Chenault. Nice. John Hightower. Eno Benjamin. Jalen Johnson. Rated rookie James Morgan. Got a retro card. Joe Montana. Cole Hardman. Van Rosa. Travis Kelce. Okay. So some notables. Got a LaVisca Chenault canvas. Nice. Morgan. James Morgan. Elite Series Russell Wilson. And Chase Claypool Elite Series rookies. Legends of the Fall, Marshawn Lynch. And Cooper Cup. Baker Mayfield. Trey Davis White. DeAndre Swift. And the parallels. Okay, that's it. Overall, it's a good box. Well, we'll do this some other time and open maybe another hanger box and 2 blaster boxes. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll see each other again. Bye.